Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chili sauce for siomai. First, gather your fresh ingredients like red chilies, garlic, and ginger. You'll also need common pantry staples such as vinegar, soy sauce, and a touch of sugar. We'll then blend these components to achieve a smooth consistency, followed by a gentle simmer to develop the flavors and thicken the sauce to perfection. This easy guide ensures a delicious condiment. Let's get our ingredients ready. Begin by washing and carefully deseeding about 10 to 15 fresh red chilies to control the heat. Next, peel 4 to 5 cloves of garlic and a 1-inch piece of ginger. For the liquids, measure out 1/4 cup of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Finally, have 1 tablespoon of sugar on hand. It's crucial for balancing the flavors later. Now, it's time to blend our core ingredients. Place the prepared chilies, garlic, and ginger into a blender. Add just a splash of water to help the blending process. Blend everything until you achieve a completely smooth and uniform paste. Once blended, pour this vibrant mixture into a small saucepan. Bring it to a gentle simmer over medium heat, letting it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. To finish our delicious sauce, stir in the measured vinegar, soy sauce, and sugar. Continue to simmer the mixture, stirring occasionally until it thickens to your desired consistency. This usually takes just a few more minutes. Always taste the sauce and adjust the seasonings if needed, adding a little more sugar or vinegar to perfect the balance. Serve this warm, flavorful chili sauce with your favorite siomai.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.